All right, so your battery is draining unusually fast, and you're trying to figure out what's causing that. And to see what's draining the battery, we're going to go to Settings. And from there, go to Battery. Here, you'll view your usage details. Different Android phones might have a slightly different looking menu, but usually you'll see your battery activity and usage, broken down by apps and features. My phone's been idle all day, so there's not a lot of usage happening here. But if you see one app consuming a lot of battery, that'll tell you instantly that app is the reason for your battery drain. Pay special attention to any apps you haven't used much, especially if they are showing more than 10% of your battery drain. That usually means the app is misbehaving in the background. Social media apps do this a lot, messaging platforms, and even sometimes weather tools. They'll frequently wake up your CPU in the background to fetch updates, which then drains your battery. And if you tap an app here, most apps will show you a toggle for background usage limits or something similar. Toggle that on, and your phone will start limiting that app's background behavior, which will help reduce the battery drain caused by that app. If you want to take things further, we can go and limit location tracking. Go to Settings, then Location, and from there, go to App Permissions. Here, you can limit which apps have permission to access your location. You can tell an app to not be able to ever access your location, which obviously is the best option for your battery life. But if you're looking at a rideshare app or something similar where the app does occasionally need access to your location, you could limit the location access to only when you're actively using the app. That'll also help with excessive battery consumption. And of course, if you see an app consuming a lot of power and you don't necessarily want or need that app on your phone, you can always go to Settings, scroll down to Apps, then find the app on the list and uninstall it from there. Anyways, that's how you see what's draining battery on your Android phone. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.